Hello, my name's David and I own Little Houses Plus and Small World products. Today I want to talk to you about getting power into your doll's house or the project that you're doing. Now to do that you will need a power pack, or you may call it a transformer. Our power packs, the smaller ones are like this. This plugs into your wall socket and this goes into your adapter into your SWO4 or whatever you are using. This one will do 1 to 20 volts. Now when we're talking about power packs, transformers, we talk about the number of bulbs, not the number of lights, the number of bulbs. So if you've got a chandelier that's got 12 bulbs, that's where you start, 12. So that's the smaller one. We do a PS250 and that will do 1 to 50 bulbs. And then we also do the bigger ones, and that comes with a much longer lead, and that is a PS500 and that will do 1 to 100 bulbs. Now all our power packs are what we call digital or regulated, and that means that if you buy one that will do 100 bulbs, and when you're starting off to light your house and you've only got 20 bulbs, it will go, oh, I'll just give you enough power for 20 bulbs. If you add another 20 to it, it will then go, oh, you now need enough for 40 bulbs. Some power packs on the market don't do that. If you want to look anywhere for any more information, please look on our website at www.littlehousesplus-shop.co.uk, and thank you for watching.